Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place a rear cover panel on the Samsung washer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the washer. With access to the back of the washer, we'll first remove these 6 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, slide one of your hands underneath and insert a thin tool, like a knife, to pry the locking tabs. With the locking clips released, tilt it up and lift it out to remove. If you have a bad cover panel and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. Before discarding your old part, you want to make sure that you document or save the model tag information because it won't come with the new part. To install the cover panel, first insert the top at an angle, rotate down, align the side locking tabs, and push to lock them in place. Next, reinstall the Phillips screws. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.